Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Обедать.
To rest.
Отдыхать.
To exercise.
Заниматься спортом.
To cook.
Готовить.
To have dinner.
Ужинать.
To watch TV.
Смотреть телевизор.
To read a book.
Читать книгу.
To go shopping.
Ходить по магазинам.
To go home.
Идти домой.
To go to bed.
Ложиться спать.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.